Hello all, welcome to my channel Science Hub exam series with Priya. So I am back with another video wherein we are going to start our first chapter, chemical reactions and equations MCQs. Okay, in my previous videos I have discussed on how you can score good marks in your examinations. So you can link is in the description box, you can go and check out from there. Alright, now let's get started, and please watch the video till end, and also like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can post it in the chat box. We can get it solved in the videos. Alright, so first question from the chemical reactions and equation is the reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide present in aqueous solution is an example of. Okay, so here I have written the reaction. You can see PbNO3, that is potassium nitrate, plus potassium iodide will give us lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Okay, now here the standard form is AB plus CD will give you AD plus CB. Alright, so let's consider PB as A, okay, nitrate as B. Alright, then potassium as C and iodine as D. Alright, so what is happening, these ions are getting exchanged in the reactant sites and they are going to form new product. Okay, now this is according to the reaction, that is double displacement reaction. So in double displacement reaction, what happens is the ions are going to interchange, or they are interchanging their species and they're going to form the new compound. So this is actually what is happening in the above reaction. So what type of reaction will it be called as? Double displacement reaction. Now let's talk about decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is a wrong answer. Why? Because in decomposition reaction, what happens? Breakdown happens, right? For example, if it is A, B, C. Okay, now this A, B, C is a reactant. Alright, it is going to break down, okay, into multiple products. Like for example, A plus B plus C. Okay, plus C. So this is what is going to happen in decomposition reaction. Alright, now it's not displacement reaction also, because in displacement reaction what happens, a more reactive element is going to displace a less reactive element, right? It eventually takes the position of the less reactive element. So again, this is not happening in this reaction, so that is also a wrong reaction. Then neutralization reaction also won't be our answer. Why? Because neutralization reaction is a reaction of acid and bases, right? Acid and bases react together, and that reaction is actually called as neutralization reaction, and that is also not happening in the above reaction. Alright, so our correct answer will be double displacement reaction. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so I hope. Alright, so the question is, a student wrote a chemical equation of reaction between carbon monoxide and hydrogen as, okay. Alright, so there is a student who wrote the chemical reaction of carbon monoxide and hydrogen as in this way. Okay, he has written in this way, wherein you can see there are multiple reactants and product is single. Okay, product this side is single. Now the question is, how can the reaction be classified? Okay, and the options given are the reaction. Okay, let's not go one by one to the options. Let's see from the reaction itself. See you, multiple reactants, right? If it is multiple reactants and if there is single product, that is a combination reaction. It is combining, right? Eventually you can see these two are combining in simple language. If something is combining to give you a single product, okay, product always will be single, remember that. So that is what is called as combination reaction, right? So we are clear that it is combination reaction. So by this you will put a cross mark to B and D, because it is not decomposition reaction, breakdown is not happening, but combination is happening. Okay, let me write the standard form here so you can understand. Like A plus B will give you AB, right? Now this is the standard form. Okay, so it is combining actually, right? So it is combination reaction. But in the first option it is given the compound separates into two compounds. So that is not happening. It is combining to form a single compound, right? So that is why our C option will become correct and this will become wrong. Okay, again it is a very easy question. I hope it is understood. Let's move out to the next question. So the next question is, a researcher adds barium hydroxide to hydrochloric acid to form white colored barium chloride. Which of the following option gives the balanced chemical equation for the reaction? Alright. So if you know what is balanced chemical reaction, in balanced chemical reaction what happens is, on the LHS and right RHS, okay, you need to have equal number of elements. Okay, so that is what a balanced chemical equation is called. The elements on the reactant side as well the product side should be same. Okay, so let's check here the first option, HCl. Okay, so here we can see first line only. Here chlorine is just 1 on the reactant side, but on the product side it is 2, right? Unbalanced. Okay, just mark a cross here because this won't be our answer. Next, let's check the second option. So here, okay, hydrogen is 2 plus 2, 4 on the reactant side. Let me write here, hydrogen is 4. It is balanced. Okay. Chlorine is 2. Here also it's 2. Chlorine also is balanced. Chlorine is 2. Okay. Then barium is 1. Barium is 1. Balanced. Oxygen is 2. Oxygen is 2. Alright, so that is also balanced. Alright, so B will be our correct answer. Excuse me. Now let's move to the third one. Here you can see that it is given H2, BaH2, right? But here you can see the question only it's written that barium chloride is the product. Where is barium chloride here? It is not present, right? So this will become our wrong answer. And here you can see oxygen in the product side. Oxygen is there, here 2 plus 1 plus 2, 4 oxygens is present, right? But on the reactant side there is only 2 oxygen present, isn't it? So this also will become our wrong answer. Okay, all right, so from for this question B is going to be our correct answer. And how it is the correct answer, I have explained it to you. Now let's move on to the next question. So you have to give the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by volume. Okay, so this is very easy. Your water is nothing but H2O, right? Now let's talk about the volume, ratio of volume. So your answer is 2:1, right? Hydrogen and oxygen ratio, not oxygen and hydrogen. Don't get confused. It is hydrogen is to oxygen. Okay, so 2:1 is the correct answer, option C. Alright, so let's end it here. In my next video I'll come back with more multiple choice questions and other questions. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe my video so I'll keep myself motivated and post videos in this way only. Alright, so see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.